Hello, welcome back to another episode of I Captain of My Ship. Sorry for being late, one day late. It was because I had an unexpected funeral of my stillborn nephew last week, and it had quite an impact on me. So that's also why I want to announce that the planned workshop of today will not take place. I will plan and announce a new date in April. Then we will have the workshop just a little bit later. Okay, and then for today and tomorrow, because today is Wednesday and tomorrow is Thursday, I will share some thoughts for Julius, my stillborn nephew, who was born perfectly at 38 weeks pregnancy. He just perfect body, but he just wasn't breathing. So it was awful news. And I want to share some thoughts, and I want to speak some words to Julius, that he's always in my heart. So today will be some words that I choose to speak to him, and tomorrow I will speak some words of hope that the parents wrote on a card at his basket when we had the condolence last Friday. So now the letter to Julius. Dear Julius, last July, during the family weekend, your parents told us that they were pregnant with you. Your parents were so proud and happy. I must say, you have good taste when it comes to choosing parents. You were so very much wanted and eagerly awaited your arrival. Dear Julius, how I looked forward to the call that you would be born. How I looked forward to the many photos and videos that your parents would post of you. I was looking forward to see your first smile, your first steps, and your first words. I knew your parents would capture moments like this on camera and share with pride, just like they do now with your big sister, who is 1 year and 9 months older than you are. I would watch you grow up and bring presents for your birthday. Yes, dear Julius, I too, as an aunt, was looking forward to your arrival. I did get the phone call that you were born. I was told your body looked perfect. Your organs looked perfect. The only thing missing was your breath. Your heart was not beating. Even though your heart was perfect, it was not beating. Born at 38-week pregnancy, 6 pounds, perfect womb, perfect pregnancy, perfect environment, perfect body, nothing wrong, except no breath, no heartbeat. A few days ago, on Saturday, March 11th, we brought you to your final resting place. Words cannot describe the emptiness and pain. Dreams are shattered. Although we won't see your beautiful little body grow to maturity, I want you to know that your brief arrival in this world left an indelible impression. You live on forever in my heart. I love you until we meet again. Rest in peace. Big hug, Auntie Petra.